Let's get you from zero to your first real output in 9xchat search. Download, setup, customization, and your API key setup. And yes, everyone gets 1 million welcome tokens to start building immediately with. You can access all top model, including Nano Banana. Here's the flow. We'll find 9xchat, download it, set up your workspace, customize your experience inside the app. Then I'll show you the integration path, including the in-house install model option. Before we even touch, bring your own API key option setup. Open Google and type 9xchat. Hit enter. Look for the official 9xchat site in the results and open it. On the website, take a quick moment to scan. You'll see what 9xchat is built for. Fast workflows, clean setup, and a product that's ready to use without a heavy learning curve. When you're ready, head straight to the download button. Click download and choose your operating system. Once it downloads, open the installer. If your system asks for permission, approve it. This is standard for new apps. Install 9xchat like any other app. Next, install. Then launch it. On first open, you'll land in the setup flow where you can create or sign into your workspace. Now we're inside 9xchat. Start by setting up your workspace. Name it something you'll recognize, like your team, your project, or your client. This is where your conversations, tools, and outputs stay organized. Next comes customization. This is where 9xchat starts feeling like your product. Adjust your preferences, your default settings, how you want outputs formatted, and any personal workflow options that help you move faster and stay consistent. Teams that care about control and privacy. 9xchat also supports an in-house install model, meaning you can run it in a more self-controlled environment, depending on your setup. If you want a ready-to-use experience, you can stay on the standard app flow. If you want internal deployment, that's where in-house install becomes the move. After that, if you're integrating with external tools or your own pipeline, that's when you bring in an API key. Go to the integrations or developer settings, paste your key, and save. If you're not integrating today, you can skip this. The app is ready to use without it. And that's the full setup to first feature. You customized your workspace, created voice content, and seen the path from ready to use to in-house install and API integration.